Whew. Hey guys, just thought I'd do a quick little food thing right now. Got popcorn chicken, one of my personal favorites. Mmm. Me and my brother are about to go to Dune. Turns out my dad and my mom. My dad's not feeling too well, like not sick, just tired from work and shit, and he just needs some time to hang out. So he's staying here, and then my mom kind of wants some romantic time with him. So and she's gonna be hanging out with him. So just me and my bro are going, and that'll be cool. So I just wanted to eat before I go, so I don't spend like $30 on fucking junk food at the theater. And then, because I'm worn out, I wanted to kind of dress up, so I had like bracelets and chains and shit on. Whatever. I like doing that type of shit. Oh, there's some cool shoes, like some Timberlands or something. Maybe like a tracksuit or some shit. If we leave a little early, we're gonna stop at Canadian Tire and Mark's Work Warehouse because I'm really into knives right now, and Timberlands. So I'm gonna look at some knives and some Timberlands and just see what they got or whatever. Probably not got anything, but yeah. I'm really stoked for the movie though. But yeah, Dune is like my favorite movie right now. I'm blown fucking everything out of the water. Yeah. The new Star Wars movies that have been coming out are like a joke compared to the new Dune. No, honestly. Check it out. Yeah. Bling bling. But yeah. I don't know. After that new Marvel movie, but I'm not really a fan of those Marvel movies. I tried to get into them when they first started coming out, and I just thought they were so boring. Like, I remember Spider-Man with Tobey Maguire and Kristen Dunst. I really liked that shit. That was dope. But then, remember I seen Fantastic Four. I was like, oh. And then, Iron Man. I really didn't like the first Iron Man, so I kind of stopped there with that. And then, also Thor. I thought I'd be into that because it's like Norse mythology and Viking kind of shit. And, you know, I was like, oh yeah, it's going to be like fucking some heavy metal shit. But instead, it's like Thor running around with fucking Natalie Portman the whole movie acting retarded. I like Natalie Portman though. She's pretty. Half American, half Israeli. Really beautiful. But didn't like her in that. She's really good in Leon the Professional. You like mafia movies and shit? That is a fucking masterpiece. Oh yeah, Annihilation. She's really good in that. It's kind of cosmic horror type of movie. On Black Swan. She's incredible in Black Swan. Star Wars. Thor. But yeah. So anywho, so then like I literally haven't seen any of that shit. I kind of got into Guardians of the Galaxy, but it's a little more on like the sci-fi spectrum, so that's maybe why. And then as far as seeing some of those Avenger movies, well then I was lost because I didn't see the other movies prior. So I don't fucking know. It's just not my cup of tea, to be honest. Like, for superhero stuff, I really dig Batman. I also really dig Spawn, but for some reason I think it just like works more because like these stories kind of taking place in like modern society or whatever, because it's that kind of like backdrop in cities and stuff. I feel like the more darker kind of brutal characters within like our society dealing with like the more like brutal harsh aspects of society, like crime and murder and like, you know, just negative shit within that. I feel like Spawn and Batman had a more realistic like for something as fantastical as superheroes, I felt more plausible in my mind or something, so it worked. Like Spawn is like a special agent, like he's a special forces military man who dies and goes to hell and comes back, and then that's why he has like the powers. And Bruce Wayne or Batman, he's like a multi-millionaire who's dedicated his time to try and clean up the streets, so he has like resource behind him to be able to like do the things that he does. And I don't know, yeah, so it's just my opinion on that stuff. Thank you. If you watch this again, thank you for watching. I had a lot of fun eating this. It was fun talking to you guys. I'm gonna go get my ass ready, and I'm going to that movie. So, pew, pew, pew. See you later. Peace out.